Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix missing voice typing option. Hello, I'm easily voice typing in my keyboard. If you have missing this option, so let's go to fix this. Open settings, press on general management, click on to Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, showing it to voice input, press on and you just select no to Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. I'm just to recommend you just select this option, okay, and you can easily enjoy this feature. Hello, so that's it.